Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today in this video I'm gonna share with you top 5 best organic shampoo which will solve your all types of hair problem. Before starting the video, I have one small request for you guys. Before watching the video, please hit the like button and please subscribe to my channel. So now let's get into the video. The shampoo made of neem, bringgrass, rita, peppermint oil and natural protein is quite beneficial to your hair, as it by its name is clear that this shampoo prevents from hair fall and helps in shiny and healthy hair growth. This shampoo is full of natural protein, makes your hair smooth, long and healthy, as well as it completely solves your hair fall problem. This shampoo is made of beet protein and coconut oil, which cures your damaged hair and also works on dry hair. This shampoo is best solution for broken hair and split ends hair. This shampoo is made of natural ingredients such as honey, vanilla, neem, tulsi, amla, sikakai, mehendi and vitamin E, which makes your hair shiny and bouncy. Normal, oily or dry hair all can use this shampoo. If you are fed up with your dry hair, then this organic shampoo, which is made with rita, soya protein, coconut oil, honey and vanilla extract, is perfect for you as it returns you your shiny hair. This shampoo is made with the natural ingredients such as soya protein and aloe vera juice, makes your hair strong, helps in healthy growth. Apart from this, it completely stops hair fall and nourish your hair, as it is little bit expensive, but for shiny and beautiful hair, its price is as par as it maintain texture of damaged hair. So guys, if you like the video, please hit the like button and please subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.